Time for another tool of the day. Today's tool of the day is the scraper. Wow, seems silly, doesn't it? This is the super scraper. It's a carbide scraper. They come in two different sizes, the shorty and then the longy. I don't know the lengths of either. One's about this long and the other one's about this long. And then they also make one like this, wooden handle, and it's just wider. All have the carbide on the end. These are hands down my favorite scrapers, particularly when you're doing jobs like this, where it's aluminum, it's machined, it's super flat, and you just want to get the silicone off. These things are phenomenal. Hold it flat, run it along, and it just peels it right off. Works way better than any scraper that I've ever used of any other style. You do, however, have to be careful with these. They are carbide, and when you're coming across the aluminum here, if you turn this baby up on edge and get that point in there and drag it across, she's just gonna curl aluminum out of there. So you do have to be careful. I often find myself holding my hand or my finger up on the point of it, sometimes taking small bites like that, but ultimately you have to be careful. It's pretty easy to do when you're pulling along. You're coming around a corner, you twist it a little bit, roll it up on edge, it's gonna gouge the aluminum very easily. But it does an absolutely fantastic job. And this is one of those jobs where you don't want to get up in here with a cookie wheel, you know, your 3M abrasive, your little 2-inch cookie disc, whatever you want to call them, because you don't want to, you know, contaminate the area. Plus on aluminum, one little mistake, one little yank on the trigger, and show's over. You're going to be piling up the silicone to seal that leak. Put a link in the description if I can find these. Astro Tools also makes one. This one here, the 9532, it's their version of the carbide scraper. Looks suspiciously close to the super scraper. Anyhow, thanks for watching, guys.